Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious sushi nori rolls at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need dried nori sheets, perfectly cooked and seasoned sushi rice, and your preferred fillings like fresh fish or vegetables. Also, prepare your workspace with a bamboo rolling mat, a bowl of water for your hands, and a very sharp knife. Ensuring your rice is cooled to room temperature is a crucial first step for easy handling. Now, let's start assembling your sushi roll. Lay a single sheet of nori, with the shiny side facing down, onto your bamboo rolling mat. Next, take approximately 3/4 of a cup of your seasoned sushi rice and spread it evenly over the nori, leaving about a 1-inch strip bare at the top edge. This bare strip is essential for sealing your roll later. Finally, arrange your favorite fillings horizontally across the center of the rice. Mastering the roll is key to perfect sushi. Begin by lifting the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you, carefully guiding the nori over your fillings. Continue to roll the mat forward, applying gentle yet firm pressure to create a tight, compact cylinder. This even pressure ensures your roll holds its shape beautifully. Once you reach the bare nori edge, moisten it with a few drops of water to securely seal your delicious sushi roll. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your homemade sushi. For the best results, use a very sharp knife that has been dampened with a little water. Carefully cut your roll into 6 to 8 equal-sized, bite-sized pieces. Remember to wipe the knife blade clean with a damp cloth between each cut to prevent sticking and ensure clean slices. Serve your beautiful, freshly made sushi immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.